Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Before we start, I want to thank you all for all the support. I'm way over 400 subscribers now, so without all of you guys watching, this couldn't have happened. So I'm glad that we made it there. And this car here is one of my cars that is always pretty popular on the channel. So here's another video about it. I'm excited about it. It sounds pretty lame, but here are 5 things that I like most about my Lincoln Town Car. So number 1, I would say it's the looks. It's not always about the looks, but in this case it is. I mean, I really like the looks. I mean, it looks, even now, does it look dated? I think it looks dated a little bit, but it still looks like luxury. It looks kind of stylish, to be honest. In my eyes, it looks kind of stylish. I like the design they put on. I mean, it's just it's unique in its own way. It's elegant. I like the elegant forms, the body language at the back. You can see the lights here, and then the lines that come along down here, so maybe from a shot at above you can see it better. I just like the design language. It's just a car that appeals to me, and I've always been, and I like town cars. I like the Crown Victorias too, but the town car is a little more elegant in my eyes, and that's what I love about it. So the looks is definitely one reason I like my town car. Is this my favorite color? I don't know, no, I wouldn't say this is my favorite color, but when I was looking for one, I want one with low miles. This one had 16,000 miles only, and so it's not a bad color. It suits it, it's kind of like, if you go back in time, this is what people had back then, so it's kind of cool. Hold on, someone's coming, so we'll take a short break. Alright, I'm in the car now, and here's another thing that I like. And should have shut the window, closed the windows here, it's kind of sunny in here. But anyways, those 5 things are not necessarily in an order, just so you know. Number 2, I like the roominess and the cabin, especially on the front seats. So the front seats here, the cabin, a lot of leg room, which I really enjoy. I can stretch my legs. It's amazing. I like the seats. They are nice and cushy, nice and soft. They are large enough. I like the fake wood. I like the real wood on the steering wheel. I like the fake wood. Otherwise, I just think it's a nice cabin to be in. There's not much tag in it, but everything is just easily accessible. I mean, just everything is where you expect it. All the buttons, everything's just great. It's a cabin where you like to be in, and where you enjoy going for a ride. And the quality too. I mean, I have a lot of plastics, but this is plastic, but it's kind of soft, This is plastic. Everything is kind of plastic and fake wood. Yeah, I know that, but it just feels good. It feels like quality, even it's not really luxury material. So I do like the cabin in the vehicle here. I like it a lot, and I'm talking about the front seat mostly now. Okay, maybe we'll get to the back seat in another video. This time I'm talking about the front seat. So that's definitely number 2. Okay, what comes next? Number 3, of course. Number 3, I do like the smooth ride of the car. I mean, when you drive it, it's not a race car by any means. It's not an off-roader either. It's just a nice car to travel and to cruise. It's not a city car, but even in a city, it's enjoyable. I like the smooth ride. It has air ride. A lot of guys don't like air ride. I enjoy it. Never had any issues with it. Had issues on an older car, an older Panther platform car. The airbags had to be replaced. That was it, and the issues were gone. So those are great cars. They are smooth. They ride comfortable. Yeah, when you say it rides like a Cadillac, it rides like a Lincoln too. It's wonderful. So that's one thing I like. That's number 3. Off to number 4. Number 4 might sound a little weird to some of you guys, but I like the image of the town car. I mean, when you say what car do you have, I have a Lincoln Town Car. Some of you guys may think that sounds like a grandpa car. I think it sounds good. I mean, driving the Lincoln sounds better than driving a Hyundai or Kia. Not they are bad cars, they're definitely not. I mean, Kia and Hyundai are pretty good cars nowadays, there's no doubt, but I like the image of a town car. It just sounds good if you have a town car, and those are great machines. So the image of having a town car, that's a bonus for me, and I like it. Number where are we at? Number 4. And number 5 is in here. No, it's not the power of the engine, it's definitely not, but it is how easy it is to maintain these cars and how easy they are to fix. These cars, the parts are relatively cheap, they're widely available, and you can fix them easily. So they're simple engines, easy to fix, reliable, and that's something I really like about my town car. Same with everything else. I mean, the interior, there's not much tag in it, so it's relatively easy to fix and not too expensive usually. So definitely worth mentioning, and something I like. So those are 5 things I like about my town car. If you want to see 5 things I don't like about my town car, which will be harder, but I'll have a video coming out, and I hope you enjoyed that video as well as you enjoyed this one. Before I go, just an update. The headlights are fine. The new bulbs, check the video out if you haven't yet. They're great, not worth the money they cost, nope, but no complaints there. The grill, of course, looks good, and the tires, I like the tires. I'm very pleased with the tires I put on the town car. If you want to, check out that video as well. So if you go on my playlist, my Lincoln Town Car playlist, you find all kinds of videos. That was it. 5 things I like about my town car. Hang on there, you'll soon see a video with 5 things I don't like about my town car, and much more fun content in the future. I enjoy that you guys are watching the videos. Please leave me a like, please subscribe, and enjoy your evening. See you soon.